Hey, what is up guys? In this video, I'm gonna be reviewing the Sandberg Streamer USB microphone. So yeah, let's get right into it. And this is what it sounds like with my microphone on, and it has that clear voice effect and it just blocks the background noise as well. So my fan is actually on right now, and the anti-wind foam cap is actually preventing it from hitting the microphone, so the noise doesn't come in at all. And I will be showing you what it sounds like without the foam cap. And this is what it sounds like without the foam case on. It sounds exact same, but a bit more sharper. So yeah, that's basically it. I would recommend you guys for buying it. It's pretty good. It has a good clear voice to it. And yeah, I will leave the link in the description down below. You can click on the link, and it may be not supported in some countries. So yeah, you if you guys are like maybe in UK, you may not get it. So yeah, that's basically it. Please consider subscribing. I really put a lot of efforts, and there's a lot of bloopers behind the scenes. So please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you. Have a good day. Peace out. So this is what it sounds like without the anti-foam window. Oh hell no.